Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can use Wise in Japan. So let's get started. Using Wise in Japan is simple, but there are a few things you should know. First, create a Wise account through the app or website and verify your identity with your ID or residence card. Once your account is set up, you can use Wise in two main ways: to send money abroad or to receive and hold money. If you want to send money overseas, simply enter the amount in Japanese yen, choose the recipient's currency, and Wise will show you the real exchange rate with a small transparent fee. You can pay for the transfer using your Japanese bank account, debit card, or sometimes convenient store payment options, depending on availability. If you need to receive money, you can open multi-currency balances inside Wise, like USD, Euro, or GBP, and get local account details in those currencies. However, Wise currently doesn't give you Japanese bank account details, so you can't receive domestic transfers in JPY like a local bank. Still, you can easily convert your balances into yen and withdraw to your Japanese bank account when needed. In short, Wise is very useful in Japan for cheap international transfers, holding multiple currencies, and spending abroad with a Wise card. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.